So there's a pretty strict rule that we always look at the range chart before we look at the means chart. And it's really important that we understand why this is true. So it's really important to pay attention to the fact that the distribution of the range is not symmetric. It has a minimum. Range cannot be less than 0. This means that when range is out of control, it's usually out of control on the high side. So if the range value for one group is outside of an action limit, that means that it's high, and that's going to make it the average range higher. So now, if we look at the formula for the limits on the mean chart, they are all functions of the average range. So if there is a big average range, that's going to move the warning limits and action limits on the mean chart far apart. So if the warning limits and action limits on the mean chart are far apart, that means the mean chart is not going to be very sensitive for finding things that are out of control. In other words, the fact that the limits are far apart may make the mean chart look in control, even when the process is out of control. So basically, if the range is out of control, that's going to mean that the mean chart is going to look in control when it too might also be out of control. So when the range is out of control, the mean chart is basically invalid and we shouldn't draw any conclusions from it.